Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer learning materials into Coursera for Business step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Coursera for Business account. Once you're on the dashboard, click on that admin tab located in the top navigation menu. From the drop-down menu, select Learning Programs. Next, choose the option to create a new learning program. You'll see a prompt to enter the program details. Fill in all required fields, such as the program name and description. After that, select the type of learning materials you want to upload. Choose either individual courses, specializations, or custom content. If you are uploading custom content, click on the option for Upload Custom Content. Now, select the format of your materials, whether that's videos, documents, or presentations. Click on the Upload button to locate and select your files from your device. Once the files are selected, review them for any errors or issues. Continue by setting the visibility and accessibility settings for your learning materials. Make sure to define who in your organization can access these materials. After configuring the settings, click Save to store your updates. You can then add more courses or materials as needed by returning to the Setup page. To finalize, review your learning program to ensure everything is in order. Once satisfied, click on the Publish button to make your materials available to users. Your learning materials are now uploaded and accessible to your organization. Encourage your team to explore the new programs and engage with the content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.